Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If you've recently purchased the TP-Link Archer C86 router, this tutorial is for you. I'll explain the entire setup process in an easy-to-follow format so you can get your internet connection up and running quickly. Whether you're replacing an old router or setting up a new network, this TP-Link Archer C86 setup guide will help you configure your router quickly and easily. Simply follow each step shown in the video to complete the installation successfully. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, unbox the router box. The TP-Link Archer C86 wireless MU-MIMO Wi-Fi router box typically includes the router, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. These accessories provide everything you need to connect the router to your modem and complete the setup process quickly and easily. Now turn off your modem. Connect the modem to the router's WAN/Internet port using the Ethernet cable. Connect the power adapter to the Archer C86 router. Turn on the modem and wait for it to become stable. Turn on the router and wait until the LED indicators stop blinking. Open any web browser. In the address bar, enter http://tplinkwifi.net. Press enter. If you're setting up the router for the first time, you'll be prompted to create a new administrator password. Older firmware versions may use admin as both the username and password. After logging in, select your region and time zone. Click Next. Choose your internet connection type. First is dynamic IP, most cable ISPs. Second one is PPPoE, requires ISP username and password. And the last one is static IP, enter the IP information provided by your ISP. Click Next. You'll now configure your wireless network. 2.4 GHz network. Enter a Wi-Fi name, SSID. Choose WPA2 Personal or WPA/WPA2 if required. Create a strong Wi-Fi password. Or 5 GHz network, enter a different SSID if desired. Use the same or a different password. Click Next, review your settings, then click Save. The router will restart with your new Wi-Fi settings. After saving all settings, restart the router from the web interface or by unplugging and reconnecting the power cable. Wait for the router to reboot completely. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.